Hi guys! How have you been doing? I know it's been so long since I uploaded a video. It's been months actually. How have you been? Have you been keeping safe, making good choices, and keeping yourselves busy, I guess, is what is most important these days. But today is gonna be a little different. I wanted to do a video and also talk about something that happened to me quite recently actually. So I want to make this video like a get ready with me / story time, so we can also discuss about what this issue is. I wouldn't call it much of an issue, more like something that I don't know much about. So I really wanted to put it up there and see what you guys' opinions are on this also, and just like talk about it, I guess. Makeup look wise, I have nothing really planned out. I'm just gonna wing it like usual. So let's see how things go. Alright, so I pulled you guys in a little bit closer because I wanted to do the makeup and talk at the same time, so you'd be able to like get the best of both worlds and see what I was doing. So I'm gonna start with my eyes. Okay, so like I said, I'm priming my eyelids. And so what I wanted to talk about was, you know how when you have an online presence and you know you're doing stuff online, and like people watch you do stuff online. That sounds a little creepy, but it is what it is, right? So when you are like out there, putting yourself out there, like being creative or doing whatever, people tend to notice. And so some brands do reach out to me for collaborations, and some brands want to like work with me. So this one brand reached out to me. I've been debating on whether I should like say which brand this is or not. It's really confusing. So that advertising agency actually reached out to me. So this was via email. They wanted to do a collaboration and was like, we would like to collab with you. We just want to know if you're interested. See, a collaboration usually is like when two parties get together and they share resources, knowledge, and just like work together, right? I'm sorry, I'm gonna be zoning out sometimes because I'm going to be like doing my eye makeup, because eye makeup is something that you need to like hold your breath for. So I suck at multitasking also, by the way, so this video is gonna be fun. I'm not gonna tell you guys the name of the girl who reached out to me. So she's obviously an executive working for this advertising agency, right? So she was like, let's just call her the girl who shall not be named. So the girl who shall not be named was like, hi Randula, we've seen your videos and we really quite like them. And I mean, this is not exactly word to word what she said, but like this is basically the preface of the emails. I'm sorry I'm talking like this, but I kid you not, I was on the phone with her. No shade at all. It's just like that's what she sounded like. My boyfriend and my sister would know that I do a lot of impersonations of people. It's like an almost guilty pleasure, and yeah. So I guess that's what I'm doing right now. I was really excited, so I was like, yeah, I'm interested. Just give me more details about this. But just so you know, I am interested. Oh, by the way, I'm so sorry if there's a lot of background noise. There's like constructions happening like outside my house, and I have no control over it. It's just really annoying. And then she calls me. And then she tells me about the collaboration. By telling me about the collaboration, meaning that she was being very, very vague. She just, I guess, wanted to like make sure she found other people for it as well. So this collaboration was, from what was said to me, was to be done with I think 6 girls, including me. So they had a plan to create content, basically makeup videos, using 2 of their products, right? So 2 of their products, we have to promote it. Luckily, before they even told me about the 2 products, I was like, oh my god, it's such a coincidence that you're calling me, because I literally did a video raving about this product that you're trying to advertise, because I actually include it in my makeup routine. And they were like, oh my god, that is exactly what we're trying to promote it as. Like, I'm all for doing a collaboration with a new startup or like a new brand, you know. I really don't mind doing it for free, but someone wise once told me, if you're good at something, don't do it for free. Unless they're your friends, you know, like, that's a different story. So I did ask her, hey, so is this going to be a paid collaboration? And then she was like, well, this is not a paid collaboration, but we're going to give you guys a hefty gift. Yeah, I mean, I'll take it. Like, I don't mind. Like, again, I did not oppose to the fact that I was going to do this for free. Okay, sorry, I had to concentrate a little bit when I wanted to do this. So this is a duo-toned eyeshadow, like this metallic shade, and I absolutely love it. So for liner, I'm going to be using this Maybelline liquid liner. I want to go with like a really long eyeliner, but I want it to be super snatched. I'm going to use a little bit of eyeliner to define this crease that goes on, just the faintest amount. Alright, so I'm gonna do exactly the same on this side and come back. Okay, so where was I? So she wanted me to come up with content for 6 videos, also promoting the 2 products again. I was okay with that, and when I checked their Instagram, their content looked really good, in the sense everything was professionally done. I mean, they are a massive company, so what else would you expect? After I got off the phone with the girl who shall not be named, I called my boyfriend. My boyfriend was like, are you sure, babe? Because it seems like they want you to do a lot. But then I was like, yeah, I know, but I love creating videos, so I don't mind doing that, you know, like, and also if this collaboration is any good, it's good for me, you know what I mean? I was all in. I wanted to do the videos for them, come up with content, and do a good job. So yeah, things were looking up for me, you know. I was like, wow, I'm going to be featured on this huge brand's Instagram, which was really exciting for someone as small as I am. I actually heard from them pretty quick. So it was the girl who shall not be named again. She was like, hi girls, but this time there was another makeup artist that was tagged on this email. Now, weirdly, this makeup artist is quite big. I recently had a client who had this makeup artist do her wedding makeup, and my client was saying how happy she was with her wedding makeup and how good this makeup artist is. So I really don't know what they had discussed. Like, I didn't go and reach out to this makeup artist. I didn't want to do that. Quite shocked that she would agree to do something like this for free. So it was initially supposed to be 6 girls, but I think they just like went ahead with 2. So the girl who shall not be named was like, "Hi girls, we're so excited to let you know that we are going to kickstart things off." Like, this was pretty soon, okay? So initially, in the initial conversation, she was like, "We need like about a month to set everything up." This mail, she was like, they were going to start like in about a week. So I was like, oh, this is happening, you know, this is happening quite fast. So as I keep reading the mail, what it basically said was that each of us are going to get a month to showcase our talent and, you know, like collab. Like, if anything, I'd have few professionally done videos of me doing my makeup. It's usually me at home just like lounging. I'm not a professional. It's just like me doing my makeup in front of my camera. So I was like all for it, you know. I was like, I can promote that product, I can come up with video ideas, it's gonna be fun. And then when everything seemed fine and I was like, oh, I'm happy, this is happening sooner than expected, I get another mail from the girl who shall not be named. This time giving us instructions on basically what the video format and like how it's gonna be done. So as I was going through this mail, I come across, like, first it's like what I should be wearing. Okay, don't wear bright colors, just wear a light muted shade or whatever. Yeah, like, obviously you have a brand to maintain. I totally get that and respect it, and I will wear something light. And then a little further down, I see something called video background. I was like, oh, a video background, okay. It says, don't film in your bathroom. And then it says, make sure you have good lighting. Okay, but like, and then it says, make sure your background's not cluttered. Like, wait. Back up. Are you expecting me to do the videos as well? Oh, there must have been a mistake. It cannot be like... Oh, I love this spray. This is from NYX. Bear with me. It's so freaking refreshing. So yeah, just a side note. So if you're watching this on Instagram, do go to my YouTube. You can go to the description box and like see all the products down below. Obviously, I wrote her back. I was like, ain't no way she's expecting me. Okay, I'm sorry, the ghetto in me is just like coming out. I was like, ain't no way she's expecting me to do that video. Like, video? No. Videos. Plural, baby. Just a second. Oh, highlighter always makes me feel better, you know? Come up with video ideas and do the videos. The audacity. The audacity. I wrote to her and I was like, I can't help but notice that you want me to do the video. And she was like, yeah, we want you to do the videos as well. Immediately, right? Like, there was no question I was gonna decline it, because there is no way. Like, why do you think I haven't posted a video in such a long time? Because it takes a long time. They expect me to film videos and send it to them. Like, how convenient, especially for an advertising agency. I was like really disappointed and also insulted. They wanted me to do so much just so I'd get some exposure. Being a brand as big as that, like, at least have the decency to like not expect so much. And I actually wrote back to her and I was like, hey, the girl who shall not be named, thank you so much for reaching out, but I don't think I'm comfortable with filming and editing the videos for you guys as well. And then she writes back and she's like, the editing is done in-house. You just have to film a few videos of you doing different looks and send them to us. And I was like, this is also very time consuming, because it is. And then she didn't even reply. Like, I didn't really think of it that much, but then when I told this to my boyfriend and my sister, and they were like, wow, that's super unprofessional. I'm gonna be using the Control Freak eyebrow gel from NYX. This is clear and I've been loving this stuff. Again, if you do want to see the description of my YouTube, feel free to do that. All the products are listed there. So I rarely go with red lipstick, but I was thinking of going with a red lipstick today. This is like a deep red. So should I add false lashes or no false lashes, right? Like, it wouldn't be a glam look without false lashes. So I think let's go with some false lashes. Obviously, if you guys think that I definitely overreacted and should have given them a chance, like should have worked with them, gone ahead with it, obviously let me know. I mean, I'm 26 years of age. I feel like right now I should be able to tell the difference between bullshit and what's actually right. So this is basically what the eye look looks like. I'm gonna put some highlighter. I'm gonna spray myself with this. And since we're at it, let's add some highlighter to the collarbone and to the shoulder. So we're glowing. I don't know why I'm glowing. I have nowhere to go. So this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed filming it. I haven't done this in a while, so it was really refreshing. Thank you so much for watching, if you did watch it all the way till the end. And also, don't forget to sound off in the comments down below. I would love to see the encounters that you guys have had. Let me know if I'm overreacting at all. Like, let me know if I should have taken a different route when it comes to handling things. I would really like to know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me with a story time. I hope to put out more videos like this. And if you guys liked it, do share it and like it, and that would mean so much. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!